It's so cringy, man. Especially with someone I usually do by myself. It'd be pretty cool. Yeah. Shoot, yeah, man. I feel it. Oh man, welcome back to your channel, guys. I hope y'all having a good day. And now my normal intro, I gotta cut it. Shoot, yeah, I usually say, it usually be like good day, good night, something like that right there. Forget it, I'm gonna put it in the video that day. Wherever y'all decide to watch it, I hope y'all having a blessed day. And today, I was gonna make two videos. One about wheeling and one about how to put reverse. Somebody had a comment about putting reverse, but it's starting to rain, so I might just have to do the wheelie video some other time. But yeah, somebody had a comment on how to put it in reverse, and you know, I understand, because when I first got this right here, I have no idea how to put it in reverse either. So I'm pretty sure if you asking about how to put it in reverse, I'm pretty sure you know all about the gears and stuff like that right there, the clutch. But pretty simple. All you're gonna want to do right now, I'm in neutral. All you want to do is hit it down, put it in first, twist this, kick it down again, and right now you see you in reverse, and that's how you back up. And you want to put it back in first, all you have to do is kick it up. Now you're in first. And yeah, that's pretty much how you put it in reverse. Just pretty quick, easy video. I know somebody told me in the comment section, like I said, you know, I put in reverse. I said I got them, and I swear that probably been, man, probably about 8 months ago, but better late than never. So like always, hope y'all enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hope to see y'all in the next one.